G'day! Today we're doing a service on a Landcruiser. It's a diesel 2006 model, 100 series. And it's got the A750 series transmission in it. We're just going to have a little peek underneath, make sure there aren't any oil leaks or anything like that. No leaks on the axles. Good idea to check the uni joints. And to start with, we're going to give it a good clean and blow out, and drain the oil out of this plug here. The plug over this side, that's where you actually measure the fluid level. There'll be a little tube in there, and that's how you measure the fluid level. The filler plug is located up on the side of the transmission up here. You can see it just there. And that one's 14 mil. Okay, we've got the pan off, and you can see there are 4 10 mil bolts on the filter. Just lower the filter. And just be careful, because you will get an airlock there and you'll get a gush or a rush of oil when it comes out of the top of the filter there. The pan there, you can see the magnets collect all the rubbish. Once those magnets become covered on there like that, they don't work anymore. So the next place that all that fine metal is attracted to are the solenoids. So it's a good idea to always remove the pan, not just to do an oil flush like a lot of workshops do. And the idea is to clean these magnets. There's a little tube there, you can see where the oil level height is, or fluid level height. See these filters, they do 98 on. The A750F, and always a good idea to make sure you have that O-ring there. If you don't have the O-ring, it's not going to seal properly. We just have a little look there, make sure none of these cables or anything are rubbing anywhere or look perished. Sometimes when other people have worked on them, they don't clip them back up to where they should be. Make sure you don't leave the old O-ring in there. And check your solenoids there as well. Now I've got the clean pan, and as per usual, we're going to stick the magnets above these little ridges and not just flat on the pan. And the idea is so that magnet's working top and bottom. More surface area attracting that fine metallic debris. One thing to note is that sometimes when you put these magnets in, it's in the way of something. So it's always a good idea to try it before you bolt it up. We're just going to remove the 24 mil filler plug there on the side. Now we're going to fill some oil in there. What we'll do is we'll put in about 3.5 litres, and then we'll start the vehicle, go through the gears, make sure all the oil's circulated everywhere, and then we'll get it up to temperature and just make sure that it's just trickling out of this little tube in the pan there. And now we're going to hop up, start it up, and go through the gears. We need to put a little bit more in. There we go, it's just coming out now. temporarily put that plug back in. Now we've got to get this up to the right temperature because the oil will expand with heat. So you've got to get it at the right temperature, at the right level. Alright, just been for a short run and the temperature's on about 45 degrees, which is ideal. 45 to 55 degrees roughly. So if you get it to about 45, 50 degrees, the oil will have already expanded where it should. And we're just going to take this off. And it should be just trickling out. And there we go. That's pretty good. Alright, so just make sure you recheck all any plugs that you've taken off. Nip them up. Good idea to double check sometimes if you're not familiar with what you're doing. One point I'll add, if the temperature goes over 55 degrees, you've actually got to let the transmission cool down. So it's within that 45, 55 range, and then just check the oil level. If you check it when it's over full, the expanded oil will come out and you'll be left with a low fluid level. Anyway, I hope that's helped. I have got quite a few of these videos on the A750EF transmissions, if you care to compare how I did that, but it's all basically very similar. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.